Hi all, Pankaj here. So this video is going to be short and crisp, so it would not take much of time. So this video is about controlling fields and dependent picklist. Controlling field is either a picklist or a checkbox whose value controls what should be the value on the dependent picklist. That's what we're going to see it. Before we discuss these points, let's check how we create controlling and dependent picklist and how it works. And then we move back to these points. Okay, so that's all. So let's move to our org. So we are here in our org, so let's see how we create it. Okay, so let's create it the pick list. Let's create a new pick list. Okay, let's name a, let's select a pick list. Okay, then we select seasons. Okay, let's enter the values by let's say we winter is done, summer, and then spring. Okay, and then maybe fall. Okay, so we have added the seasons and we have created one pick list. Okay, just click next and just save it. Okay, if you remember in the previous video we create a pick list called fruits. Let's modify it a little bit also, fruits, and add some fruits here. Okay, some more fruits. Okay, we have this value. Let's add new value. Let's say let's add strawberry and guava. Okay, just save them. So they got added. Yeah, so let's create the dependent and controlling. Okay, so we go to this field dependencies in any object. Okay, in the object in which you want to create, then we select new, and then we have the controlling fields. Let's control the seasons. We will be controlling fruits with respect to the season. Okay, let's say fruits and continue. That's how we create it. Okay, so then let's say for the winter, let's say we have two fruit available, orange and banana. Okay, and for summer, let's say we have apple and kiwi available. I don't know in which season which fruit available. I'm just taking random choice. Okay, let's say strawberry and guava. Let's say what is that is remaining. Let's say kiwi and apple. Just taking a combination. Okay, that's basically we are selecting that whenever we select a winter season as a value, only these two will be available to select. Whenever we select summer, only these two, like this. Okay, just save it, and our controlling independent pick list is done. Let's check it how it looks like. Go to our accounts. Let's create a new one. Okay, are fruits which are controlled, so we can't add value until unless we select season. So let's say we select winter, only the fruits available for winter will be available. We select summer, only the fruits available for the summer will be available. That's how with every season. Yeah, so that's how. And that this controlling field could also be your a checkbox. Okay, that you could try on, or if you face any problem, drop a comment. No issue on that. Okay, so we are done this. That's all with the controlling and this dependent. Let's look into those few points that I told you that we will be looking into it. Okay, so let's move back to that. So let's look into these few key points one by one. First is custom pick list fields can be either controlling or dependent. Basically they can be controlling or dependent, but standard field will always be controlling, not dependent. To keep that in mind. Multi-select fields value can be dependent but not controlling. Yeah, that's true, because there would be so many values, so which value will control which value, so that's why they are independent. You can set default values for controlling fields but not for dependent. So for controlling fields you could set the default value but not for the dependent. If your org uses record type, choose a record type to test how it affects your controlling and dependent pick list. The record type and controlling field together determine what values are available in the dependent value. For example, a dependent value is only available if it's available in the selected. Basically, you know that with the record type we control the which pick list should be available. So, and what are the values that should be available. So depending on whenever we are creating controlling and dependent, make sure that dependent is also available in that record type. So that's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, drop a comment and You could also ask your query on mail or LinkedIn, but I suggest LinkedIn because I'm mostly active on LinkedIn. So that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.